Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Poco M4 Pro. Okay, for that we will have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you will have a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can share it also directly with WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you have a screenshot. If you tap down here on the preview, you're also able to edit the screenshot. You can highlight something and so on, draw something inside, or what is also very nice, you can crop something here. Very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or something like this. No? You can really crop then the picture. In my case, it's here the Google bar. Okay, after you need to go just here on save to save your edited screenshot. Yeah, there's a second way, as I said. For that, just scroll down here, right next to the camera. Right next to the camera, scroll down, and then you have a shortcut menu here. And then you need just to go here on the icon with the scissor, and then you have a screenshot as well. Okay, and the third way works with 3 fingers. So you can just slide 3 fingers down the screen and you will have a screenshot. It doesn't have to be from the full screen, works also. Just somewhere on the screen, scroll those 3 fingers a bit and you will have a screenshot as well. And if you want, you can make also a long screenshot, but this doesn't work at all the apps. So I've tried it on some websites and so on. It doesn't work so well, but I can show you how it should work maybe one day if we're going here on YouTube. No, we want to skip the trial here. Let's look maybe for something like phones and more and so on. And now we have a list here. And if I capture it now with the power button and the volume down button, then we make a screenshot. Then I have here the opportunity to scroll. Second point. And then he's scrolling down this list. And if I want to interrupt it, I just go then on done. Because if it's too long, the resolution of the screenshot is not well anymore. So let me go on done now. And you can see here the long screenshot. So the long screenshot is named scroll shot, by the way. Okay. Then just go here on save. And your scroll shot is now part of the gallery. And apropos gallery, the pictures are at the gallery, so you can see them on the photos here, but I would recommend to you to always check your screenshots here at the albums, because the screenshots have their own folder here, so they are just your screenshots in. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.